Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex and it's a pleasure to have you here. So just wanted to say videos are going to come out a lot slower. Unfortunately, that's just how it is. I did get a new job, so you're definitely going to see that video just not going to come out when they're just not going to come out all the time. Fortunately, I still get plenty of practice again. You know, when I get my lunch break, eat, draw. It works out, you know. Just a drawing again, super easy, super quick, super fast. Something I can just boop, dish out anytime I want. With that being said, I just finished. I finished all of this. This whole thing is now finished. This whole sketchbook, boom, done. 100% completion on this. That was worth, let's see how many months. Yeah, doing this live. How many months has it been? So 3 to the 827. So 311 to 827. How many is that? I'm about to tell you. And the number's right here. Crazy, right? This thing took forever to finish. Jeez Louises. But with that being said, let's go ahead and see the last 60 or so pages that I did to finally finish this. Alright, so that's pretty much the end of this sketchbook. It's been a fun ride. I'll probably go right here and then draw a few more eyes with the nose, just to fill this out and be done with it. It's been this sketchbook right here it's been with me for a while, and me and this sketchbook, well, our time is done, unfortunately. Kind of sad to see it go. I'm obviously not throwing it away yet. I have a little niece, and I might want to give her all my old sketchbooks. Maybe if she's interested in drawing, and this can definitely be, like a little guide in case she's ever interested. So with that being said, let's see what I'm doing right now in this new sketchbook. Boom, all cut up. So that's pretty much everything I've been doing the last few weeks that I haven't been doing YouTube. I'm still drawing plenty, still doing lots of practice. Recently I've learned I have no idea how to do hair. Actually, I think I talked about this last time, but I still have no idea how to draw hair. And this ribbon stuff has been helping me out. I can't say it's been fast progress, but there is progress. I think it's starting to look better and better, so that's pretty cool. Another thing I've been also doing with the ribbon practice, I've gone back to more perspective practice. A lot of these I just look up on the internet, perspective drawing practice or perspective drawing references, and you can get quite a lot of incredible references there, and it's just so helpful. And it's definitely something I recommend everybody try. Something like this is super simple. You draw your grid lines, and then you just start drawing boxes on top of each other and going left and going right. And this one I think is definitely worth a try. I'm gonna try. So first I'm gonna do this like with the boxes, the way I saw it on the reference, and then I'm gonna try to do it with spheres, and then I'm gonna switch it up into cylinders, and then I guess from there draw circles, cylinders, and squares on top of each other, just like this. It's definitely something that's worth considering, worth trying out. It's pretty cool. One of the things I've been enjoying is, now that I've gotten a little bit more used to drawing, stuff like this has been becoming much easier. You know, drawing faces, stylizing them. I guess not stylizing. I don't know how to do that yet. But more so, just drawing them and playing around with faces has been pretty cool. Obviously, still use references. Always use references. There's no reason not to use references. It makes the world easier. But I'm probably gonna start doing stuff like this. So I'm probably gonna start making like cheat sheets for myself with angles of different noses. You know, be like, oh, instead of looking it up over and over and over, I'll just draw all the reference angles that I can possibly see myself using, and then start using, you know, going back to these pages, maybe like bookmarking them. Yeah, definitely bookmarking them, and then just coming back and forth, using them as much as I want. And so one of the things I've been enjoying is I've been using other anime characters, and I've kind of been copying them down. I guess not copying, but using them as reference to just draw like little stylistic characters, and that's been super fun, super enjoyable. It's a blast. It's so fun. And it's something I've been enjoying a lot. It really helps because, in my personal opinion, you can kind of get a feel for how another artist goes about taking advantage of different anatomy pieces. As far as I know, freaking anime characters love to not take advantage of anatomy. It's so difficult. It's been super difficult looking at anime characters and being like, how the heck do I make this slightly more realistic? Of course, for me personally, I want something in between unrealistic and realistic. I want to take advantage of everything that comes with anatomy, but I also don't want to overdo it and make my character look like a real ass person. That's just something I've noticed when I've been taking references of anime characters, and it's just something that you know, I guess I'm gonna have to practice over time. Just learning how much I guess it's learning how much detail not to put in. That's super duper hard. I have no idea how to do that yet. I can't even draw hair, so that's where I am. Another thing I wanted to kind of like brag about, I do think my gesture drawings are looking mighty fine, much better. They just keep getting better and better. I'm super happy with that. I'm starting to add a little bit more detail. I'm starting to maybe not focus too much on making it look perfect. Man, I don't know how to explain that, but all I can say is my gesture drawings have improved, and I'm loving it. I guess another fun little update, I've bought myself a sharpener for these lead holders. They're very convenient. Should have got one a long time ago. That way I could sharpen my pencils to the perfect position. Dude, these things are crazy. So this is a Stadler 502. This little section right here is like a sponge, and then you just shove your pencil lead in there, and it takes off the excess lead shavings. And then these little holes, if you can see them, I'll put it closer for you. These little holes, there you go. These little holes right here, both of these holes, you basically put your lead in, and then kind of let your lead drop in like that. And that way you can get the perfect size to sharpen, either like to sharpen your pencil for like this is for like regular writing, and then this one over here is a thinner. It sharpens your lead a lot it makes the point a lot thinner, and it's better for drawing. So you have one for writing, and then you have one for drawing, which is really cool. I literally had to look up a tutorial on how to use this thing, because I thought this piece was just like a holster, like you hold your pencil. And I thought these were the parts where you moved, like, I didn't know this whole thing right here in the center was the sharpener. Oh well, whatever. All I can say is I had to look up a stupid YouTube video for this thing. But it's worth the money. It's pretty cool. It's pretty damn cool. What am I gonna say? It's pretty damn cool. Also been enjoying this eraser. I cut this piece to be a lot thinner, and then I kind of cut this to be kind of like a cornered edge. Like, I can focus on the corners, or I can just like boom, get like full coverage. And then this is a lot thinner, so I can just get those little details out of the way. You know, something to think about when you have your own eraser, especially if you buy a lot of erasers. It might be beneficial for you to just cut it in a way that you can take more advantage of. It's just something to think about, something I've done, and it's pretty useful, I gotta say. With that being said, I can say I've been having a ton of fun drawing. Definitely, it's been such a joy. It takes my mind off things. I'm still getting better. Overall, it's still a work in progress. I look forward to getting better and better. I look forward to sharing again all my mistakes, all the struggles I'm having right now. Again, let me go back to it. Boom, can't draw hair. Crazy, right? I can draw these cute little freaking faces. I can draw these cute noses, but I can't draw hair. Everybody's got a weakness. Right now my weakness is hair, and then it's gonna be arms, and then it's gonna be legs, and then it's gonna be hands, and then it's gonna be feet. There's so much to learn when drawing. If you're drawing and you think you're slow or you think you're struggling, I gotta say, everybody's struggling. No matter how efficient I am in drawing, it takes so much time. The muscle memory that comes when figuring out like specific pieces of body parts, it's just gonna come with time. It's less about memorization and more about like muscle memory. One more thing, I want to show off these little toys. It's called the Fingers, Fin-Gers. You can buy these cute little fidget toys on that site. I'm not gonna link it because we're not affiliated. Just something that I got, and it's very fun. When you buy them, they're actually 3 rings, and I got silver, and I got these nice black and green. Pretty cool. Can just mess around with it. Been using these at work. That way I waste a little bit of time when I got some downtime. Cause they don't let us. I definitely can't take this when I'm like on my leisure time. If I only got like 10-minute breaks, nope, not gonna be able to draw, and they don't allow paper. So, with that being said, I hope you all had a fantastic day. I look forward to still making more YouTube videos. I still look forward to making more content for you all, and I still look forward to sharing my adventure with drawing. And of course, I still look forward to, making this setup way better than what it is right now. Right now it's still scuffed, and in the future it won't be as scuffed now that I'm making some nice dinero. But overall, with that being said, I hope you all have a fantastic day. Bye bye.